Hey there, and welcome to 5 Minutes Python. We're excited to bring you this new episode. Today, we're going to be talking about something exciting: natural language processing. Let's dive in and explore the amazing tools Python offers to help us master this fascinating field. If you're not familiar with NLP, it's fundamentally the capacity for computers to comprehend, interpret, and produce human language with a cheerful twist. Now, if you're a Python developer, you're in luck. There are tons of amazing tools and libraries out there that can help you get started with NLP. In this episode, we're going to be sharing with you our top 7 Python tools for natural language processing. First up on our list is NLTK, or the Natural Language Toolkit. This is probably one of the most well-known NLP libraries out there, and for good reason. It's packed full of functionality for tasks like tokenization, stemming, and part-of-speech tagging. It also comes with a bunch of pre-trained models and corpora, which makes it super easy to get started. Next on our list is spaCy. If you're looking for something a little more modern and performant, spaCy is definitely worth checking out. It's a relative newcomer to the NLP scene, but it's quickly gained a loyal following thanks to its fast processing speeds and intuitive API. It's also really easy to train your own models with spaCy, which is great if you're working on a specific NLP task that isn't covered by the pre-trained models. If you're interested in deep learning and NLP, you'll definitely want to check out TensorFlow's NLP library. This relatively new library is already showing a lot of promise. It's designed to be a high-level API for building NLP models, so you don't have to worry about the nitty-gritty details of the underlying algorithms. Plus, it's backed by the TensorFlow team, so you know it's going to be well-maintained and supported. Another great tool for NLP is Gensim. This library is particularly useful for tasks like topic modeling and document similarity analysis. It's designed to be scalable, so you can use it to work with large amounts of text data. It's also really easy to use, so it's a great choice for beginners. If you're working with social media data or other types of unstructured text, you might want to give Pattern a try. It's a web mining module that's specifically designed to extract and analyze data from the web. It's got a bunch of pre-trained models for tasks like sentiment analysis and part-of-speech tagging, so it's a great choice if you need to get up and running quickly. The only problem is that this library hasn't been updated for some years now. It's probably no longer maintained. However, it works with Python 3.6. For more advanced NLP tasks, you might want to consider using TextBlob. It's built on top of NLTK, so it's got all of the same functionality, but it's also got some additional features like support for n-grams and sentiment analysis. It's a great choice if you're looking to take your NLP skills to the next level. Last but not least, we have pyNLPl. pyNLPl, pronounced as pineapple, is a relatively new library, but it's already making waves in the Python community. It's a wrapper around the NLPi C++ library, which means it's super fast and efficient. It's also got a really intuitive API, so it's easy to use even if you're starting. That was 5 Minutes Python. Subscribe to our channel to get notified when we release new episodes. Don't forget to read our weekly Python newsletter, Pydo. Visit faun.dev/join to learn more.